A top story: in a few hours from now, Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan will be out of Mumbai's Arthur Road jail after spending 25 days in jail. After inordinate delays stalled Aryan's release last evening, Aryan's legal team have completed formalities necessary for Shah Rukh Khan's son's release. India Today has learned that Aryan Khan is going to be out of jail in all possibility between 9 a.m. and noon. It will depend on how many release orders are before Aryan Khan. Last evening, Aryan's legal team could not complete the formalities on time as the bail order came in late in the afternoon. After that, the remaining formalities also took a while. Aryan Khan's team could not submit all documents in the Zamanat box at Arthur Road jail before the deadline of 5:30. The bail box at Arthur Road jail opened at 5:30 a.m. Aryan could not be released yesterday after his bail papers did not reach on time and missed the deadline of 5:30 p.m. India Today's Arvind Oja was there at the jail when the bail box was opened. He filed this report.
आर्थर रोड जेल का ये जो जमानत बॉक्स है ये अब खोल लिया गया है और इसी में बहुत मुमकिन है कि जो आर्यन की जमानत जो रिलीज ऑर्डर है वो इसके अंदर हो। तो फिलहाल ये खोला जा रहा है 5:30 बजे और जो प्रक्रिया होती है उसके बाद जो भी इसमें दस्तावेज होते हैं उसको अंदर बाकायदा ले जाया जाता है और उसके बाद फिर प्रक्रिया शुरू होती है रिहाई की। तो आप देख पा रहे हैं कि बाकायदा अगर आप देखें तो ये जो पेटी है इस पेटी को खोल लिया गया है और ये देखिए डाक है वो अंदर जा रहा है। तो इस वक्त आर्थर रोड जेल के अंदर ये पहले आप देख पा रहे हैं कि ये बाकायदा जो रिलीज ऑर्डर है वो इसी पेटी में 5:30 बजे का चूंकि ये वक्त होता है निकाल लिया गया है और अंदर जो रिलीज ऑर्डर है वो अंदर गया है। अब जितने लोगों का रिलीज ऑर्डर गया होगा आर्यन का भी, तो उस तरह से जो प्रक्रिया है रिहाई की वो शुरू होगी। बहुत मुमकिन है कि 8 से 9 बजे के लगभग जो आर्यन खान है वो आर्थर रोड जेल से बाहर आ जाएंगे। कैमरामैन प्रदीप गुप्ता के साथ अरविंद ओझा, मुंबई।
Pankaj Upadhyay is getting us more details. He joins us from Arthur Road jail. Saurav Akhtania joins us from Mannat, the residence of megastar Shah Rukh Khan. Good morning to you both. First, I'm going to come to you, Pankaj. Do give us an idea about what is expected in terms of who is going to be coming in from Mannat to receive Aryan Khan. Between 9 and 12 is what you all have been telling us. What's the plan? Who will be there from the family? Are you picking up any details? And what's the mood like right now?
Good morning, Sneha. So what we are learning from the jail authorities is that Aryan Khan could be walking out of the Arthur Road jail between 9 a.m. to 12 noon after completing all the legal formalities inside the jail. But as we've also been telling the viewers, we have seen in the past how the arrested accused released on bail have walked out earlier as well. Jail authorities say that a lot will depend on the number of physical release copies that they receive. At 5:30 a.m. This morning, the Zamanat Peti was opened and we saw there were around 8 to 10 release orders. Jail authorities here are emphasizing that everyone is equal in front of the law and they will not be making any reservations for Aryan Khan. That is, they won't be picking the Aryan Khan's release order first and working on it. As and when in a random selection, if his order comes in first, they will be looking at it. Further, it's been said that the various processes inside the jail could take anywhere between half an hour to 45 minutes. So the jail authority says that all said and done, between 9 a.m. to 12 noon is the time when Aryan Khan could work out as a free man and will come out of the Arthur Road jail. For now, what the jail authorities have done is they have cleared the area around the main gate. Now what you're seeing on your screen is the main gate of the Arthur Road jail. It is from this very gate that Aryan Khan is going to come out. And yesterday we saw how police had barricaded the entire area. Now this also happens to be the main road. So what the police is saying is today they will not allow anybody near the main gate, and that's the reason why we are not seeing any barricading today. There is no presence of the police here because no one is allowed. This area is out of bounds today. We have also been asked to report from the other side of the road. just because of the fact that police does not want any chaos here. Also anticipating that perhaps, if at all, there's no confirmation as of now, but anticipating that Aryan Khan's father, Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan, might just come in here and there might be a situation here. To avoid any law and order situation, to avoid any confusion here, what the police today has decided, there's no one is going to be allowed near the gate, and that is why today we are seeing the main gate less chaotic today. But the big news remains, Sneha, of course, that Aryan Khan finally is going to be a free man today. He's going to walk free from the Arthur Road jail. He's secured bail. The paper formalities, of course, as we know, could not be completed yesterday by 5:30. That was the deadline for the physical release orders to be put here in the Zamanat Peti. That could not be done. And the jail superintendent said that the law is equal for all. They could have maximum given a concession for 5 minutes, but the papers did not come in time. And that was the reason why Aryan Khan had to spend one more night in the Arthur Road jail. But today, between 9 a.m. and 12 noon, it is expected that he is going to come out of the jail after completing the paper formalities.
Yes. Pankaj, be with us. I'll just come back to you for more. They're playing out a soundbite, a reaction that has come in from the NCB DDG Gyaneshwar Singh. Listen in to what he's had to say.
Bill granted for Aryan Khan. What do you say about it?
The bail order is to be examined by the concerned units and their supervisory officers, and they have to take a call.
Saurav Vakhtania is at Mannat, getting us all the details from the kind of preparations that are underway. Saurav, you were telling us earlier that yesterday there was a lot of excitement, anticipation, fans at Mannat waiting for Aryan Khan to come back home, but unfortunately they had to go back home without getting a glimpse of Aryan Khan because he continues to be in jail. But of course, there would be optimism today also, and you are expecting people to come back once again to welcome Aryan Khan. Tell us more.
So, well, yesterday, Sneha, there was a lot of crowd outside Mannat, and they were all Shah Rukh Khan's fan, and they were cheering up for Aryan Khan. But let me tell you, today there is no such crowd, and most importantly, at that particular side, this whole road is completely blocked by the Mumbai police officials. This particular one-way outside the Mannat is made as a two-way side, and the road which is leading to Bandstand is completely barricaded by the Mumbai police officials. No vehicular movement on that particular side. This is completely done so that not many people actually come outside Mannat, because yesterday we saw thousands of people actually outside Mannat and they were cheering up, there were slogans, they had banners and so much things. Let me tell you what is happening inside Mannat. Since yesterday when the order came of bail for Aryan Khan, they were actually anticipating that by evening 7 Aryan Khan might be out, and so many preparations were been done inside Mannat. We saw lights been made, so many bouquets were actually going on inside the Mannat, Sneha. So there was lot of preparation, there was lot of anticipation, and they were expecting that by 7 Aryan Khan would be inside Mannat. But yes, due to the technical formality, that could not happen. The most important part is, Sneha, let me tell you the timeline. At 3:20, the advocates had the order copy from the Bombay High Court. So from Bombay High Court, Sessions Court, it was just 2 minutes journey. But what really happened at Sessions Court, in the NDPS court, that there was already some case was being heard. Their first time actually went away. Later on, to complete the formalities, that the paperwork, Juhi Chawla did not brought her photo. The photos were not available. Then the person went down to again, they bought the photos of Juhi Chawla. Then the entry was done. So in that way, there was not plan B. So there's some sort of delay which happened, and therefore Aryan Khan could not leave the Arthur Road jail yesterday. We know yesterday afternoon, Shah Rukh Khan also left from Mannat. It was said that Shah Rukh Khan will go to Arthur Road jail to receive his son, but that didn't work out. So what his legal team right now is saying is that today for sure Aryan Khan should be out, and we are also expecting that King Khan, that Shah Rukh Khan might today again go as well to Arthur Road jail to receive his son Aryan Khan.
Saurav, be with us. Pankaj also going to come back to you both. Meanwhile, the delay that we've all been talking about. Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan could not be released on Friday. His paperwork delayed his release. Aryan is said to be out of the Arthur Road jail today. On Friday, actor Juhi Chawla gave the surety for Aryan's bail. Here's what awaits Aryan Khan as he gets set for his weekend release.
Hundreds waited outside the Arthur Road jail and Shah Rukh Khan's residence, Mannat, to see their hero's son, Aryan Khan, back from prison. But their hopes were dashed.
You have got the order? Yes. And what is the procedure now?
We are heading towards the Man court.
तो अभी आप लोग सेशंस कोर्ट में NDPS कोर्ट जाएंगे?
हाँ वहीं जाएंगे.
The exit formalities required for release from jail could not be completed by the 5:30 p.m. deadline. Now Aryan will be released from jail on Saturday. From getting the bail order copy from the Bombay High Court to the release order, it was a hectic day for Aryan Khan's legal team. Juhi Chawla, who is a co-owner of Kolkata Knight Riders, an IPL team owned by Shah Rukh Khan, has given surety of Aryan Khan's bail.
I'm just happy that it's all over and Aryan will come home very, very soon. Aryan घर आ जाएगा, इसकी खुशी है, and I think it's a big relief for everybody.
It was around 3:30 in the afternoon that Bombay High Court gave a 5-page operative order for the release of Aryan Khan from the Arthur Road jail prison. Immediately, his legal team got down to work and made sure that surety Juhi Chawla came on time and the papers were completed. But in spite of their best efforts, the procedure could get completed only after 6:30, and in that time, Juhi Chawla had a field time getting clicked by the court staff.
Aryan's bail comes with riders. The High Court has set 14 conditions. Aryan cannot leave the country without court's permission. Even if he wishes to leave Mumbai, he would have to inform the NCB in advance. He would also need to mark his presence every Friday at the NCB office. And most importantly, he should not establish contact with co-accused in the drug bust case. For the Khan family, the much-awaited reunion is delayed a few hours, but comes well in time to celebrate Diwali at home. With Vidya, Mustafa and Saurabh Vaktania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Pankaj Upadhyay also continues to be with us. Pankaj, in fact, you all have been telling about the kind of delays that happened. Just tell us, why was there a delay in fact, giving the papers as far as the Zamanat box is concerned? And you did mention that the Zamanat box also was closed at 5:30 p.m.
First of all, Sneha, legal processes do take time. And tomorrow, another point is that it was established that priority is not given to any influential people as such. Before the law, everyone is equal, and that's exactly what we saw. Even the judge had said that he will not be rushing in this case. He will be treating every case like any other case. And as far as the Aryan Khan case is concerned, the happenings of yesterday are concerned. The operative orders and the bail conditions were given by around 3:30 p.m. Post which, even though we saw the battery of lawyers that have been hired by Team Aryan, they were placed at every nook and corner of the court. Yet the legal processes took time. After the operative order was received, the legal team then rushed to the special NDPS court because Aryan Khan was apprehended by Narcotics Control Bureau, and the trial is going to be conducted in special NDPS court. So it was essential that get the release orders from the special NDPS court. All the legal formalities had to be completed there. Bail bond had to be furnished there. We saw how Juhi Chawla, the Bollywood actress, made a surprise entry, and she was the one who furnished the personal bail bond of 1 lakh rupees for Aryan Khan. The formalities had to be completed there. The documents had to be verified. Juhi Chawla's documents had to be verified, and this documentation also took time. Once the procedures were completed, then the release order had to be brought in to the Arthur Road jail, and it had to be submitted here in the Zamanat Peti. But also here, the Arthur Road jail manual follows a very, very strict rule, and beyond the 5:30 time limit, no release order is taken. But the jail authorities, when we had a word with them yesterday, maintained that they could have given a concession of maximum 5 minutes. Beyond 5:35, they said no physical release order will be entertained. And that's exactly what happened, even though it was anticipated by Team Aryan Khan that they would get some concession till 7 p.m. That did not happen. Exactly at 5:35, the Zamanat Peti was opened, the release orders, whichever were there, were taken out, and the jail authority said Aryan Khan will not be released today. And that was the reason precisely why Aryan Khan spent one more night
Yes.
at Arthur Road Jail. But today is the big day, of course, Sneha. We being said between 9 a.m. to 12 noon, all the jail formalities will be completed, and Aryan Khan is going to be a free man.
That's right. Saurabh, also coming to you, do take us to the kind of preparations that the family is now making to welcome Aryan Khan back home.
So Sneha, yesterday there was a lot of preparation, as I told you earlier, that there was a lot of preparation which was going on inside the Mannat, and we saw a lot of staff actually going in and out, and there were also, the Mannat was decked up completely. On the terrace, if you saw yesterday, it was completely light up, and this was particularly done for welcome of Aryan Khan after so many days. And we saw so lot of moments of the staff, household staff of Mannat. They were going in and out, and so many cars coming in and out. And most importantly, there were bouquets which are continuously coming inside Mannat. There were people who were sending bouquets. There were fans who was coming in, and there were so many other fans who were actually brought posters with them. They had banners with them. Some were also busting firecrackers. So it was a very cheerful situation outside Mannat. They were raising slogans for Shah Rukh Khan, in favor of Shah Rukh Khan. But currently, let me tell you, the Mumbai police, what they have done is they have completely barricaded this particular area. They want that the crowd should not come over here, because yesterday we saw thousands of people actually coming to this particular area. So what they have done right now is they completely barricaded one road. This particular road behind me is a one-way traffic, but now they have made this two-way traffic, and the particular road at the bandstand end is completely barricaded. No vehicular movement on that particular side. So they are trying to avoid the crowd so that they don't come at this particular side. Because, you know, we are expecting that once the procedures get over, Shah Rukh Khan might go to Arthur Road Jail to receive his son Aryan Khan.
All right. Thanks, Saurabh and Pankaj, for getting us up to speed with that. We'll, of course, keep coming back to you both as you get us minute-by-minute update of that big story that we're tracking. Well, in a few hours from now, Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan will be out of Mumbai's Arthur Road Jail after spending 25 days in jail. Well, after inordinate delays stalled Aryan's release last evening, Aryan's legal team have completed formalities necessary for Shah Rukh Khan's son's release. India Today has learned that Aryan is going to be out of jail between 9 and noon. It will depend on how many release orders are before his release. Well, last evening, Aryan's legal team could not complete the formalities on time as the bail order came in late in the afternoon. After that, remaining formalities also took a while. Owing to that, Team Aryan could not submit all documents in the Zamanat box at the Arthur Road Jail before the deadline of 5:30 p.m. All right, let's now take a look at what are the bail conditions that have been put out by the Bombay High Court for Aryan Khan. Well, he must not indulge in activities similar to the charges is what the court has said. Cannot leave the country without permission of the court. He must inform the Narcotics Bureau in advance if going out of Mumbai. He must attend court proceedings when called and should not delay trial once if it begins. 1 lakh personal bond has been given as surety, and he must surrender his passport as well. That's a condition. He must do so before the court. He must also mark presence at the Narcotics Control Bureau office on every Friday. He must not establish contact with any of the co-accused in this case. So bail conditions as listed out by the court before the bail was announced. The surety amount, of course, continues to be 1 lakh rupees, something that Juhi Chawla, a close friend of Shah Rukh Khan, ensured yesterday. Details of that story and much more going up on our website as well. That's indiatoday.in. You can also download the app. Aryan Khan and his much anticipated release continues to be our top focus. That's it from me for the moment. Thanks for watching.